What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to the channel. So I don't know if you watched any of the videos before, but we brought home the Junkyard 5.3 aluminum block from the Trailblazer or Envoy. Anyways, we got it running, but it'll idle, but it runs really funny. So I don't know if some of you guys know what's going on, but I could show you guys. Idles won't rev up. Stalls, stutters, runs like it has a huge cam and a super blower. Or blower, whatever. Anyways, I'll show you guys. This is the Junkyard 5.3 first start. Well, a couple starts actually. She runs, but doesn't run right. I'll show you guys. As you guys can see, it idles. When you go to rev her up though, she starts dying. Maybe you guys know a little bit more than what I know. I'm not really sure yet. It's kind of the first stages of this. As you can see, I got a pretty hacked up, butchered harness at the moment. But at least, the one thing that is good though is that this $180 Junkyard aluminum engine runs. The next problem I'm gonna have, as I noticed, I didn't know before, maybe you guys know, there's no hole for the dipstick. So I'm gonna have to see about researching that, possibly drilling it out, or maybe making one on the swap pan. But yeah, like, subscribe. I appreciate the subscribers I do have. If you guys got any ideas about this, let me know. Until then, like, subscribe, share it, leave a comment, good, bad, I don't care. Anyways, talk to you guys later. Keep on keeping on.